Hello and welcome to Algebra 2. Today is Monday, November the 16th, and our topic for today is solving radicals review. Okay, let's dive into our first example here. Make sure that we're pausing and writing the original problem. Okay, we need to cancel the square root. In order to do that, I'm going to square both sides. On the left-hand side, you're just left with what's under the square root. So I got 4n plus 8. On my right-hand side, I'm going to multiply these in a square. We've got n plus 3 and n plus 3 gives us n squared, 3n, 3n, and 9. These will combine to be 6n. Okay, now we want to get everything over to one side. Take away 4n from each side, plus 2n, plus 9, take away 8. We want to make sure that one side is equal to 0. Okay, we can go ahead and factor this guy now. 1 and 2, 1 and 1. So I get n plus 1 and n plus 1. Okay, let's set these equal to 0. So I get negative 1. We still need to go back and plug this in to test for extraneous solutions. An extraneous solution, again, is one where you plug it in and it does not work. Okay, so we're going to plug negative 1 back into our original problem. So I've got 4 times negative 1 plus 8 equals negative 1 plus 3. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. Negative 4 plus 8 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2, and 2 equals 2. Great, our solution works. There's no other solution to try, so we're done here. Alright, let's consider one more example. Make sure you pause and write the original problem. Okay, I see two variables. I see an x and an a. They tell us that our value of a is 10. So the first thing we want to do is plug in 10 for that a. So I got 5x plus 10 equals x plus 2. Okay, now we just proceed as we had before. I'm going to square both sides. When you square a radical, you're only left with what's underneath it. So I've got 5x plus 10, 4x plus 2 squared. I'll do this in a square off to the side. So it gives us x plus 2, x plus 2. I've got x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4, 4x. So I have x squared plus 4x plus 4. We still want to get everything to one side so that the other side equals 0. I'm going to take away 5x. 4x minus 5x is negative 1x. Take away the 10. 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Okay, everything's off to one side. The other side equals 0, so we're all ready to factor. We've got negative 6 and negative 1. How about negative 3 and positive 2? So we get x minus 3 and x plus 2. We're going to set these equal to 0. X is 3. And negative 2. Okay, we need to test these for extraneous simultaneous solutions. Okay, let's do positive 3 first. Order does not matter though. So I've got 5 times 3 plus 10 equals 3 plus 2. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 and 2 is 5. 15 and 10 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. 5 equals 5 is a true statement, so we keep 3. Remember, it's possible that both solutions work, only one solution work, or it's also possible that none of them work, so you always need to test both. So I'm going to plug in negative 2 now. So I have 5 times negative 2 plus 10 equals negative 2 plus 2. Negative 10 plus 10 equals 0. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. And 0 equals 0 is a true statement. So in this case, both solutions work and we keep them both. Alrighty guys, that's all for today. Thanks.